Welcome our customers. On this particular episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create customer accounts. If you look at the dashboard here, you can see we don't have any customer that is created in the system. We have two options. We can either create the customers manually one by one, or we can import from an Excel sheet. So if I come to customers, then I can come here if I want to create manually. So I just click on new customer. Then I go down here and click edit. So I'll type in the name of the customer. Maybe I have a customer by the name James Maina. That's the name of the customer. The shop name of the customer I can capture the email of the customer. I can capture the name of the phone number. I can capture even an image of the customer. I have to have that image already saved in my computer so they can select from there. I also capture the location where the customer is located, the specific area, the PIN number for the customer that will require me to generate an ETR for them. Then I can capture these other details about the customer. I can also capture the route for the wholesalers and distributors, the sales rep. The other details that I can capture, maybe the customer has a balance. Maybe I'll capture the opening balance for the customer, which maybe 15,000. Then I can even also have the credit limit. I don't want the customer's debt to go beyond 50,000. So at any time I create an invoice and the debt is more than 50,000, the system is going to warn me that I'm going beyond the credit limit and it's not going to allow that transaction to be completed. If the customer has an official company name, I'll capture that, the terms and conditions, the issues of the taxation. These ones I'll be sharing them in details in other videos. Then if I have any document that I want to attach, or a document that I want to attach on the system, it can maybe the PIN certificate or the certificate of incorporation or any other detail about the customer, then maybe you have an agreement with the customer, I can capture it here. Once that is done, I'll just click on save. And when I click on save, when I go back to customers, I'll be able to see now I've successfully created a customer, and I can see the running balance of the customer. The other alternative is to import. So I just come and click here. Then I'll just go to import. I already have created an Excel sheet or a CSV file for the name, the customer, their names, their balances, their phone numbers. So I just need to go and choose where my list is. So I'll just click there, then open. The system will try to match the columns. These one are the columns in my spreadsheet, the Excel, and these are the columns in my database in the system. So you can see it has not been able to match them, so I can match them myself. So I can say the first one is the first name, and the balance I wanted to be posted under the customer balance here, so that now once I import the names, they'll be automatically taken to the first name, and when I import the balance, it will be taken to the balance column. There are so many other columns here, so your Excel sheet can have as many columns. You need to name the columns in your Excel so that they can be matched here. Then I go to the next step, then I just complete. Once I complete, now I can come back to my customers list, and you can see now all the customers that I had in my original. Now I named my columns in Excel. So you can use that format, and you can have as many columns as you wish. You can have all the other details, the emails, the location, the sales rep. You can have them here. You can see now the customers have been imported. So that's how you create. So if you are coming from another system and the system has the capability of importing from the system to Excel, then you don't have to repeat the whole process of recreating the customers one by one. So you just have to have the Excel sheet well named, then you can import into this POS directory. So thank you so much, and consider sharing the video and also subscribing to promote our channel so they can reach other people who might be interested in our point of sale software.